everybody, it's David from Trail Adventures USA. We're here at the Adventure Expo in Costa Mesa. It's March 2020. We're going to take some time and interview some of the vendors today, and we're going to hope to show you some new products, so stay tuned for another episode. Alright guys, so I'm here with Rory from Trigger Controllers. Go ahead and tell them who you are, what your position is at Trigger, and what's new.
I'm Rory Connell. I'm the sales guy at Advanced Accessories. We make the Trigger controller. So the Trigger is one of our products. Company's Advanced Accessories. We're out here at the Four-Wheeler Adventure Expo, and we're selling products, and we're excited to show our newest product, which is our new Bluetooth relay.
Fantastic. Let's take a look.
So we've been selling the Trigger controllers. Everyone says, hey, I love the idea of having the Bluetooth controls, being able to dim and strobe my lights, turn them on and off with my cell phone. But my lights are already wired. So we went back and we said, well, let's just make a Bluetooth relay. So your standard light bar comes with a harness with a switch. We can turn it on and off, right? Pull that relay out that comes with it, drop in the Bluetooth relay, download our Trigger controller app, and then we can turn our lights on and off, strobe them, and dim them straight from the cell phone. And you can do up to 6 of them. So it's a retrofit.
Fantastic. So if someone doesn't want to purchase the 6-shooter, but they got 6 of these relays, in essence, it works similarly.
Similarly, you still need to have your light bar harness that came with your light.
Fantastic.
That's the only thing. But you lose the wireless switches, switch back with this, but you still have the Bluetooth.
Got it. Now, guys, we have the 6-shooter on our truck. We've been real happy with it. We've been putting it to use for at least a year now, off-roading once, twice a month, and no issues. So testimony for your guys' product, it has been great. Now, it's been a big year for Trigger Controllers, guys. These guys are still growing. We had a great weekend over at the Icon Vehicle Dynamics Overland Expo thing. That was pretty awesome. King of the Hammers. Rory was a big part in putting that together. S-Pod was there.
No S-Pod, no S-Pod.
Not S-Pod. Shift Pod. Scratch that. Shift Pod was there. Sorry. But a lot of people were there. We had a great time, man. And I just wanted to reach out and tell you again, thank you so much for the invite. Hopefully we'll do that again next year, guys. Once again, if you need any lighting controllers for your truck, vehicle, Jeep, anything at all, reach out to Trigger Controllers. You can find them on the web at
triggercontroller.com.
All right, guys.
It would be our top of the line trailer. It's one that comes with all the features that you would want for a base camp. Thus we call it the base camp trailer.
Okay.
So what did it come with? All right. It comes with an articulating hitch in the front, right here. Okay. And it comes with independent suspension, with also coil springs and as well as shock absorbers. So it'll go anywhere a four-wheeler will go.
Okay.
It has higher clearance than most of your four-wheelers. We'll add 12 plus inches underneath. So it'll go anywhere.
So is it torsion bar suspension or what type of suspension?
Independent suspension.
Independent suspension. Okay.
So I have.
Are they timbering axles or what kind of?
No axles.
Okay.
It's independent suspension. I got free swing arms with a heavy-duty coil spring
and shock.
Wow. Right,
Okay.
and you have room for 2 shocks per side if you wish.
And tell everybody who are you with? What's the name of the company?
Tuff Stuff out of Santa Ana, California.
Okay, and the website is
toughstuff.overland.com.
toughstuffoverland.com. Now, this one here, you said the price with everything that you see here is how much?
You're talking with a 4-man alpha aerodynamic fiberglass shell up on top, 10. Everything that you see right here is about 19.6.
Okay, this has power, water, gas.
Correct.
It has a 2-burner stove, the sink. I mean, this thing has the works, guys.
It has a water pump, has a hand pump in case you don't want to use it. It has a hitch in the back, so if you want to if you want to put a bike rack or whatever on the back. It has a 1,000-watt inverter in it. Has a 100-amp battery that goes along with it. So if you need 110 power, you have it. It's solar ready.
Okay.
So in the back, so if you want to set it up as a base camp, set up solar panels so that you have a trickle charge going all the time into your battery that you can.
Splendid. Now, front to back, tip of the tongue to the back of the trailer.
13 feet.
13 feet, so it can still fit in your garage, no problem if you guys need a place to store these. So that's great. That's another huge benefit to your trailer, because a lot of them, reaching that 20 to 22 mark, don't really fit too well in a garage with the door closed.
Correct.
All right, so Tuff Stuff's been around a while. This is not new. Awning has been around. I know I've seen on a lot of vehicles as well, so these things are very well made. If they need to get a hold of you guys, what's the phone number there at Tuff Stuff here? I think you guys are located in Santa Ana, I believe?
Correct. You go online.
Best way would be
the best way to get us.
Get a hold of you.
Yeah, so you can go www.tuffstuffoverland.com.
Okay, and your name?
Mike.
Mike, David, good to meet you.
All right, nice to
Thanks
meet
for
you,
taking a
David.
few minutes.
Very
Appreciate you.
welcome. Have a good show.
Thank you. So I'm here with Matt from Exploration Outfitters. You guys are located in Oklahoma. They're tied in with the Patriot camper family, so these are some people you really want to know. Patriot Campers is really making a great stay here in the United States. They build an awesome product, but I wanted to hear from Matt because you are the guy that's here, like boots on the ground, bringing this trailer to the public. So tell everybody in our community what makes this trailer so special and why this should be one that they look at as top of their list.
So, I mean, Australia's always kind of been known for prominence in off-road, right? Really rugged conditions, hard use. So even just starting there from the manufacturing process, the conditions that they wheel in are really, really, really hard, right? So anything that survives well down there is going to do extremely well here, right? So, I mean, starting from the ground up, the chassis is designed and engineered. It's hot dip galvanized steel, so it won't rust.
Won't rust.
Of course, you got independent suspension, and some of like Australia's most famous four-wheel drive trails are just brutal corrugations.
Yeah.
And so that's kind of where the suspension comes into play. And it really smooths out the ride. It doesn't tear up your equipment and all that. And then really where the Patriot excels to me, and what always kind of sets it apart is the design fundamental, right? It's instead of building a box and then bolting a bunch of boxes to a box and filling them with stuff and then bolting a tent to it, every component of the trailer is designed for the trailer. So the tent is designed as an integral part of the trailer. All of the slides and cabinetry and all of that stuff is made in-house, for the trailer specifically. So
Wow.
It's not kind of piecemeal together.
Makes sense, yeah. I mean, if you're going to design something and you design from the ground up, it functions more as a system. And I think that's kind of the design philosophy that I've been able to understand by following what they've been doing. I know that this trailer was designed on a CAD. It wasn't, like you said, it's not a bunch of metal boxes welded together. It is a design system from the ground up. Now, this trailer here that we're looking at, what is the MSRP of that trailer?
So this one would start as an MSRP of about $39,000.
Okay.
Now this one, as it's equipped, is pretty well loaded on it. Has all of the available options to include a heated tent and full, air suspension, full electronics package on it. So this one would be closer to the $50,000 mark.
Okay.
As it's equipped.
So 39 to 50,000. 50,000 being the high water mark for any trailer you'd be able to find of this category, probably in the world.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. Now, how much does this trailer weigh?
This one would be about 2,500 dry.
2,500 dry. And what's the length from tongue to tail?
12'6". So 12'6" long, 6'6" wide, and about 6'6" tall.
So another trailer, guys, that can fit in the garage, no trouble. You don't have to worry about leaving something of this caliber outside.
Absolutely.
Wow, thank you so much for a few minutes. Appreciate it. Enjoy the show. I'm sure you guys are going to do fantastic.
Appreciate it.
Thanks for being a part of it. So what a treat. We're here with the guys from Turtleback Trailers. I've got Barry here. Barry here is a senior operations manager, I guess, over there?
Something like that.
Something like that?
Yeah.
I'm giving him like a huge hit on his, what do they call it, your job title.
Something like that. I'm actually the toilet restroom cleaner. But anyway.
Barry's going to tell us a little bit about Turtleback Trailers, what makes this flagship model such a great design. Barry, let him have it, man. Just tell him what you can about this great trailer.
Absolutely, for sure. Thank you very much. So Turtleback Trailers has been around about 7 years now. The Expedition behind me is our flagship model. It's what we kind of started the company with, and it's gone through some refinement over those 7 years, but the footprint and the design of it still has kind of kept its shape and everything. So the Expedition over here, full kitchen, 42 gallons of fresh water on board, 6-gallon water tank, water heater, sorry. So effectively 48 gallons of water in the unit, and then suspension, Icon suspension, designed with Icon for Turtleback. You won't find that on any other trailer out there. All our trailers are 3D designed and modeled with SolidWorks. So the best engineering.
The fit and finish.
Fit and finish, that's it.
Great.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So it seems like the key words right now in the trailer industry is my suspension, right?
Right.
And you just said that Icon Suspension worked with you guys to develop this.
Absolutely.
So that's huge. Most of these guys are using someone else's suspension. We don't know if it's been designed specifically for that trailer. It may bolt on, but is it designed for the weight capacity and all the things? It sounds like you guys have covered that base.
Yeah, we've nailed it down, obviously, with Icon and the relationship with them. The dampering, the spring rates, all that is set for the Turtleback trailer for a max of 3,500 pounds towing capacity. So it's dialed in. It's
Now,
a sweet setup.
Icon is located here in Riverside, California.
Yep.
They're local to us. We even went on the Overland Cap experience with those guys here just recently. So how did you guys, being where you're at, get in contact with them? How did you make that relationship work?
That was before my time, to be honest with you. So there was a relationship built there with the founder of Turtleback, Dave, and the guys over at Icon.
Well,
So
fantastic.
That was a good link over there for us.
Well, we think that's a huge plus for your trailer, and we've admired this trailer quite a bit. We know that you guys have put a lot of thought into the processes of this. Now, the question that everybody wants to know, we're all so proud of great suspension, great build design, this and that, but are we proud about the MSRP? How much is this trailer?
So this one, as it sits right now, is probably running with tents and awnings around 35.
Okay.
The Expedition starts at 27,000. Has all the features and amenities that this one has. But this one's just kind of got a little bit of step ahead with the composite kitchen, the suspension upgrade, and stuff like that.
Now,
So-
you guys offer financing?
Correct, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But no trade-ins?
No trade-ins right now. On the odd occasion we may do that, but right now we finance. We set up with our partners as an RV, so it's a 10-year loan, which really helps the customer get into what they want and spread those payments out over 10 years.
Fantastic. So 10-year loan,
Yep.
probably easy down payment option, I would assume, depending on the
Sometimes
credit?
little to nothing down.
Wow.
Yep.
Okay. So now we know this thing is set up for solar and it's got the water and everything. What are you guys most proud of regarding this design? What's the one thing you guys are most proud about?
I think we're standing right in front of it, right?
The kitchen?
The kitchen. What's the point of going camping if you can't have some good food in your stomach? If you got good food in your stomach, everything else is great.
Absolutely.
And we're proud of the fact that setup might not be in 10 minutes to set this whole setup up, but you're going to be cooking and eating food within 5 minutes. The kitchen just opens up doors, swing outs out, slides out. You're cooking, you're feeding the kiddos, and you're getting the camping season going.
You're going, yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Now, Barry, one last question. What's new for what's Turtleback thinking in the future? Are they going to think smaller, bigger? What are their thoughts? What's going on? Give us a hint.
That's the $1 million question,
Is it?
right? We got a couple of small key things on the horizon here, obviously for our current owners, making sure we're touching them with add-ons to their trailers. Have you seen the trash bags and stuff that we're starting to develop?
Okay.
So kind of hitting that current market, letting them know that we're still there and they're still important to us. And then moving ahead, we've obviously hit the rooftop tent market. We haven't hit the other side of it yet. So
there,
leave it at that.
Well, there you go, guys. Barry's taken quite a bit of time. I truly appreciate it. It's been an honor and privilege.
Absolutely.
We wish you guys continued success. It's a wonderful product.
Thank you very much. Appreciate
Absolutely.
it.
Thanks. Don't cut that out. You gotta leave that. That's hilarious.
You have to leave it.
All right. Well, buddy, thanks for giving us 5 minutes, but I appreciate you. It's gonna be a great weekend for you.